Render against BTC. Here we are for Render. We are heading towards the targets at the downside for Render. We have already clearly, this is as clear as 9 day, crossed the skinny pink line. I mentioned this way back. When was this? 12th of July. That we are going much lower. And so, look at this. Since 12th of July was here. We're already down 39%. From where we are to target 1 is another 29%. By the time we hit target number 2, it's 41%. So there's more downside to be expected. Sure, it may not be one straight line down, and things may, rally back up. But as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias, right? It would have served us well, right, to know that as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias. The moment we go above it, of course, we remain with a bullish bias. This is very clear. The trend has switched bearish for Render. Render against USDT. Here we are. We have hit targets for Render USD is at $4.13. I did okay, I can go back to the video, right? There was so many negative comments, right? People who are tied to their back holders of Render, and they were pretty rude, I would say. So yeah, this was something that I also published on Twitter, so you should follow me on Twitter as well. Normally it's just a snapshot of things. The complete one will probably be on YouTube, but I do do clips here and there. But Render, I also did mention same thing, 12th of July, that more likely than not we're gonna head lower, right? 12th of July. Look at this. Look at how rude people can be, right? When you give
Render.
targets
Okay, Render
like this.
doesn't look good at all.
Look at this. Time to hibernate. Feeling like a bear who just woke up from hibernation. Okay, this looks like bots. But yeah, look at this. So rude. So rude. Yeah, USD as well, right? We mentioned this. Where's this? 413. We've already hit targets. Pharmacy, I don't know. I'm not sure. There's still more downside. So for me, it's a no-go for me. There was fire the way it's playing out. Yes, sir, it is. Disagree, you go. Good luck. Oh my god. Yeah, I love bots as well. Look at how rude people can be, right? I'm not, being rude to you or your family member or any. It's just calling a coin as I see it, right? If things are turning bearish, I'm just gonna call it bearish. I have no emotions tied to any coins at all. So should you as well. You should not be tied to any coins emotionally. So yeah, otherwise you get emotional damage. Yeah, so that's Render for you. More downside. No, sorry. We've already hit targets, but more likely than not, more downside because for the BTC pair, we have yet to hit the downside targets. So I'm assuming that Render will form a bearish continuation and head lower. So that's the fate of Render. It's just not really looking that good. So I would preach caution and patience. This is not a time to be going long, and neither is it the time to be going short, because we could be heading a little bit higher first before a reversal, right? There could be a get out rally if you're trapped, but know that this get out rally is not a bullish reversal. More likely than not, it's not. Okay, there's no guarantees in trading.